Hello everyone, this is DK sir. Now today we are going through how to see anti-log tables. Okay, let's just take an example. See here, if I say log x is equals to 1.2345, any particular value is given. So they will say find the value of x. So what you'll do, firstly you'll write down taking anti-log, you can say antlog, or you can write down whole thing as anti-log, or you can write down as in short atlog. It's same thing. So you're taking anti-log on both sides. So if you take anti-log on both the side, so you'll get what? Anti-log of log x is equals to anti-log of 1.2345. Is it? Now you will see anti-log and log, that is cancel, so you'll get just x. So x is equals to anti-log of 1.2345. Now the question is how to find out anti-log of this particular value. Okay, so for that one here, I just give a table like anti-log table that you had already gone through. This type of table it is already we have, and it's a small part. I took it earlier where we'll solve the questions. So let's just start. Okay, see here, if I say here we have a question that is like we have to find out anti-log of 1.2345 will be how much. So always remember, firstly make a note, like whatever we have to find out, we have to find out anti-log of 1 point this particular thing. So whatever it is before decimal, that before decimal is called as characteristic. It is characteristic. You can say it is character of this, or you can say it is characteristic. And whatever it is after decimal, it is called as mantissa. It is mantissa. Okay, so we have two things are there for anti-log. It is characteristics as well as mantissa. So always remember, whatever it is characteristics, so due to characteristics we will decide 10 raised to the power what number will come, and whatever it is mantissa thing, from there we will see the table. How to solve this thing, that is just by using table, and characteristics we will decide as 10 raised to the power something with that value. Okay, let's just take an example. Suppose here if I say we have a number, we have to find out anti-log of 1.3701. So what you see, this is characteristic is 1 and its mantissa is 3701. So in that one, whatever it is first two digits after decimal, that is called as main value, as we discussed for log also. And this second place, whatever it is like after two digits, it's 0, that is called as it's a difference. It's a difference. And this fourth place, that is called as mean difference. Okay, and this thing I'll just show you on the table. If you go on the table, see here, whatever it is two digits are mentioned together, that you will say this 2 digit things, this is called as its main value. That means this thing will see in the main value table. Now this whatever it is 0, 1, 2 up to 9, these all values, these tables are called as it's a difference table. This is it's a difference table, and this already it is mentioned, it's a mean difference. Okay, so let's just go back for the question. That question was here 1.3701. Let's just write down this question once again. If we just write down here anti-log of 1.3701. Okay, see here how to see the character part first. Now whatever it is character, that it is because the power is 1, so we'll write down here its character is 1. So whatever it is character, that character plus 1 always, plus 1 always, remember this. Whatever it is character, that plus 1 we will write down, and that will be multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 1 means 10 raised to the power 2. That is first thing we'll decide with the characters. Now we'll go for mantissa. that is 3 7. So we will go on the table. See on the table, it is 37. I just highlighted here earlier itself, so it is 0.37. Now 37, after that what was digit? It is 37. Then after it is second place, difference table, it is 0. So 370, 37, and below 0 we will see 37, below 0 it is 2344, that is the value. Then after that we have one also there, that will see in mean difference table. See here it is, we have 1 as mean difference, so that also we'll see. So firstly let's write down this particular value will be what, that we have to find out. That will be 0 point, always here it is fixed, it will be 0 point something. Now what is that something that we have to find out? That will sort out here, that it is, firstly we'll see in the table that it is 0 point, it is 2344 here, so 2344 and it's 1. So we will add up them. First is find out it is 0.2344 plus 1. So you'll get what? 0.2345. So that value will write down here. Your answer will be 0.22345. That's final answer for this first question. Let's just take few more questions together. I'll give you like we have to find out antilog of, suppose it is 4.3701. We have another question, antilog of, suppose it is 12.3701. I have another part that is like suppose antilog of 123.701. okay, see here, for these all cases the first thing will decide what is character here, 4. So character 4 means 10 raised to the power 4 plus 1. Now here what is character? It is 12. That means your answer will be 10 raised to the power 12 plus 1. Now here what is character? 123. So your answer will be 10 raised to the power 123 plus 1. Now we have to find out what value is here. That will be 0 point something. This also will be 0 point something. This also will be 0 point something. Now what is that something? That will decide with Mantissa. It is 37. So just go on the main table, see what is 37. Again it's the same value that I highlighted here. So I took those examples, that's easier to explain here. So it is 37 and under 0. So we'll get 2344. Then because you got that value, so just write down here, you get 0.2344. Then we'll see what is mean difference. Mean difference is 1. So we'll see in the mean difference table 1. So that here it is, it's 1 value. So that will add up there. So if we add up there, you'll get this plus 1. You'll get total value 0.2345. So you'll get answer here 0.2345 into 10 raised to the power 5. That's final answer. This case, because after decimal the values are same whatever it is here in the first case, so you can directly write down its answer will be 0.2345. so your final answer will be 0.2345 into 10 raised to the power 13. okay, see dear, this case it is after decimal, it is just 0.32. so we will see in the table where is 32. so 32 is here dear. Then after 32, what was the value? 32, it was 1. That means we have just difference is 1. We don't have any mean difference. So we will see that 3, 2, 1. So below 1, that is this value, that is 2094. So we will just write down here. There is no mean difference. We will not add it. It is 2394. Yeah, it's 2094. So that means it will be 2094. So the final answer will be 0.2094 into 10 raised to the power 124. This was type 1. Now I'll just go for another type, that we can say type 2. Okay, see here, if we take certain more examples, like it is 0.3701. What should be anti-log of this? Or we take one more example. If I say what should be anti-log of 0.003701, or if we take one more case, if it is suppose 0.0003701489, we have to find out anti-log of these cases. Okay, so first case here, if you notice, as I said, what is character here before decimal? Before decimal it is 0, so 0 plus 1, that means 10 raised to the power 1. Well, answer will be 10 raised to the power 1 into something. Now this is again how many place, what is character here? 0. So 0 means again plus 1, so your answer will be 10 raised to 1 into something. In this case again, what is character? 0, so your answer will be 10 raised to the power 1. Now after this dear, if you notice, this case it is 37. So we'll see in the table 370. So 370, that we did earlier itself, it is 0.2344, and then Mantissa it is 1, mean difference is 1, so you'll get total value as 2345. So you'll get answer as 0.2345 into 10 raised to 1. This case dear, if you notice, after decimal this is 00, so that we will see in the mean difference, its mean value table. 00 will not get in this table, that's why I took one more table. Here it is, this is 00, got it? Then after 00 we have 371. See here, after 00 we have, this is 371. So we got first two places as main value. Now this 3 will be your difference, so we'll see 3 as a difference value. Sorry, what is this? Okay, so we'll see 3 as a difference and 7 as mean difference. So we'll just see collectively 00 and it's 3 and then it's 7. So just add up these all values, you'll get here 1007, then add up with 2, you'll get the total value as 1009. So that will write down as a final answer. So it will be 0.1009, that multiplied by 10. If you want, you can write down 1.009, that is anti-log of this. We just don't care about 0 and 1. Because of, if you just round up this thing, that 0 and 1 does not make any effect on the round up thing. Same thing we can notice here, it's like after decimal we have to just see it's 4 characters. So after decimal we have just these 4 characters, we just don't care about everything. And if you notice, after 4, if it is greater than 5 or 5, so this will add up 1 in the preceding one. So this you can say this is equivalent to anti-log of 0.0004. That's it, we don't care about anything else. So what it is, 00 is main value and 0 is difference and 4 is its mean difference. So your answer will be 0 point. Just go on the main table, again see, it is 00 is here, I'll use different color marker, it is 00, then again it is 0, it's 000 only, then we have 4 is 1, so if you add up you'll get 0.0001. so that means we'll get answer here, that's 0.0001. got it? So if you want, you can multiply it by this as 10 raised to 1, you'll get final answer 0.001. that is anti-log of this thing. Now let's just move for another some cases where this is very important case here, that we'll say it is type 3. Now for type 3, the first thing I'll say, anti-log of negative number. Anti-log of negative number remember this thing there, antilog of negative number, this you will say it does not exist. Antilog of negative numbers does not exist. This I said intentionally because mostly students are doing mistake in this. Actually it is exist, but just remember this thing, like antilog of negative numbers does not exist. Okay, so then if suppose anybody will ask you, no, we have to find the negative value antilog, then what we'll do? So let's just take an example. Antilog of minus 0.6299. Suppose I'm taking antilog this as a case, or if I take another case, antilog of minus 2.6299. Okay, so how we'll find out these cases? So firstly here, as I said, antilog of negative number does not exist. So what we'll do, we'll try to make this as positive. So just write down again antilog. What we will just add or subtract the nearest integer to this so that become positive. So what we'll do, just subtract 1 as well as add 1, then minus 0.6299. So if you just take these things together, you'll get this total value as antilog of minus 1 plus 0.3701. Is it clear? Plus 1 and minus this part will be this much. You can subtract it. So now this minus 1 means dear that just write down 10 raised to the power minus 1. Finish it. Now after that, this is a question of antilog 0.3701. See dear, what is character here? Character is 0. So character 0 means it will be 10 raised to the power 1. Is it clear? Because character 0 plus 1, and that already we have 10 raised to minus 1. It was. Now we have 37 as a main value, so that you can see in the table 37 as a main value that we did earlier, ditto same. It is below 0 and mean difference 1. So there we get this as value 0.2345. So if you want, you can simplify this, you'll get this plus and minus, it will be cancel out. So you'll get 0.2345. Is it clear? So let's just take another example, second case. As I said there, we have here minus 2. So what we can add and subtract? So we will do here, it is antilog minus 3 plus 3, then minus 2.6299. So this part, if you simplify that minus 3, it will be as it is, so you can multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3. Now this much you will get antilog of 0.3701. Now this, see what is character here? Character is 0, that means multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1, and this will be as it is, multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3, and here it is, what is main value? 0.37. So in antilog table 0.37c, as we did, it's ditto same, so you get value 0.2345. So if you want, you can finalize this. It is 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to 1, that means 10 raised to minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 2 means 2 place decimals. So you get 0.002345. That is antilog of this thing. If you see here, we can take one more example. It's like antilog of suppose minus 43.6299. What will do here? Same. It's antilog. What will add and subtract? It's minus 43. So its greater integer will be 44. So just subtract minus 44, add 44, minus 43.6299. So just subtract 44 and minus this part, you'll get that, and this minus 44, it will be multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 44 separate, and this part you will get antilog of 0.3701. So you know how to find out antilog of this. This one says its character is 0, so that means multiplied by 10 raised to 1 and 10 raised to minus 44 as it is. So this 37, its main value, then 0, it's a difference table, and 1 as its mean difference table. Just finalize everything, you'll get 0.2345. So your final answer will be 0.2345 into 10 raised to the power minus 43. That's final answer. Okay dear, thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. If you feel anything problematic part in this, just let me know, and please just keep like as well as subscribe my channels so that I can keep uploading more videos. Okay, thank you dear, thank you everyone.